Stop. 5 repos that will blow your mind. Number 1 is the wildest thing you'll see all week. Ego-lite is the fastest browser built specifically for AI agents, letting them automate the web without disturbing you. Ego-lite lets AI agents work in separate spaces, so you keep your tabs while your agents run tasks faster. Download the macOS app or use npx to add it. Then your AI agents instantly access your logged-in browser state. Kronos is the first open-source foundation model trained on financial candlestick data from 45 global exchanges. Kronos understands the language of financial markets, enabling predictions and analysis from K-line sequences. Install the Python dependencies, then fine-tune the model on your own trading data, or try the live demo. Harper is a lightning-fast, offline grammar checker built in Rust, completely privacy-first and open-source. Harper checks your writing in milliseconds, using minimal RAM, and never sends your data anywhere. Install the VS Code extension, the Obsidian plugin, or run the binary. Harper fits into your workflow seamlessly. WorldMonitor is an AI-powered real-time dashboard for tracking global news, finance, and geopolitical events. It monitors over 500 news feeds and 29 stock exchanges, cross-referencing military, economic, and disaster signals. Run npx WorldMonitor or install the desktop app. You can self-host the AI with Automattic for full privacy. RuView turns ordinary Wi-Fi signals into a spatial intelligence system that can see through walls and detect vital signs. It detects movement, breathing, and heart rate through walls, and integrates with Home Assistant, Apple Home, and more. Deploy it with a single flag into Home Assistant, or pair it directly with Apple, Google, or Alexa Smart Home. And that's today's countdown. 5 projects shaping tomorrow's tech. Hit subscribe to never miss a trend.